Tom Hart, Riverhead Ford. Well, what I'm doing is I'm walking around the back lot checking out the inventory, and right now I'm standing in front of a row of Ford F-150 all-electric Lightnings. And a story came to mind. I had a customer come in the other day and he wanted to look at a new Ford F-150, so we came back here, we picked out a truck that he liked, and then I walked him past the Lightnings and I started explaining to him all about the electric truck, and he's like, nah, I don't want an electric vehicle. I said, wait a minute, let me just show you the truck. Let's talk about it, I'll explain how it works. And he said, okay, I'll listen. And then we took it for a test drive. That was exciting, he loved it. So when he came back to the dealership, we sat at my desk and I showed him how he qualified for $10,000 in rebates. He also qualified for 0% financing up to 60 months. And then I explained the maintenance and how he was going to save a lot of money on maintenance, because for the last 10 years, he's been coming in here for the first truck I sold him twice a year, getting service done, taking care of his truck. He's not going to have to do that anymore. Finally, he was convinced, and he came back today and thanked me for selling him the truck. He loves it. He's driving around for the last 3 days, putting miles on it. He can't be happier. So come down, let us do the same for you. We'll see you when you get here.